What's up, guys? So the idea behind this video is to show you guys the behind the scene of how I think, how I pre-plan my trades. So before every particular trading week or particular trading day, the night before or the weekend before, I'm always prepared. Like let's say every other profession, maybe like an engineer or whatever. Before you do anything, you have to have your preps. So just the same way in trading and just the same routine I process day in, day out, week in, week out. So I get myself ready and I'm prepped before the new week starts. So come with me, let me show you how I get myself ready in this space. So let's use an example of GBPUSD, a trade I recently took on this week. So on the weekend, I was able to have an idea of what I was looking for. So I knew we had this weekly resistance level right around here. So with that notion in mind, and I also was looking at DXY at this point here. You can see my indentation here, what I indented here was, like I said, tricky at this area. Anything can happen. Basically, why did I say anything can happen? So I'm going to bar replay to the weekend. So this is Sunday. So this is my prep time. So we basically can see the price tapped in this area on the 4-hour time frame. So if we go to GBPUSD, let me come back to GBPUSD. So if we come to GBPUSD, you can see this is exactly what we have going into the weekend. This is on Sunday, or this is on Friday. So let me see what Sunday. Yeah, this is what Sunday opening looks like. So prior to it, I already had what I indented here saying clearly that I'm open to selling at this particular price level depending on how I see price unfold. So why did I decide to have the notion to sell here? We're on the weekly time frame. If you look at the weekly time frame, we have this particular place that stood as a resistance back in 2022. So, and it's the weekly time frame. So basically, I expect price to just at least react from there. You can see originally we're in an uptrend. So the buyers are in control of this particular market. But just imagine you're buying something from maybe this level. Let's say, let's say you're buying something from this level here. Let's get this off. Or maybe this level here, or this level here. Now, stop losses should be around this level here, and below here. This is also another weekly time frame. So basically, if I am, let's say I'm thinking like the normal trader, I'm looking to offload my positions around these weekly highs. So without thinking methodology in place, if I'm going to be thinking like the normal traders or normal human beings that are looking to offload their trades, I see this area as somewhere that people will offload their trades. So a quick reaction from there should give me little sell position to activate. So with that notion in mind, I was prepared and ready. So basically, what I do, first off, analyze the charts, mark up the charts, look at what the areas I'm looking for that are primed to target, and have my maybe my indentations here, maybe like from what I wrote here. I said we're in an uptrend on a bigger scale. If price gets to 1.3533, I'm willing to buy. So that particular level was here because, like I said, we were in an uptrend. So if price gets here first, I'm willing to buy. But if price gets to 1.36105, if you see this is 1.36105, I'm willing to sell. So I'm not constricted to any particular position. I'm allowing myself to be very fluid, but I know what I'm looking for. So this is how I prep before every week starts. So as the week kicked off, you can see price got to this particular level first, and with what I wrote down, I was able to activate immediately. So I quickly got in for a sell position on Monday open, which is right around here. That I think this is 2 a.m. candle. So I was able to get in, set my sell stop right below here. and get this off. So let's see what price did. Price just immediately tapped into my area. So I was looking for 1 to 2.3 on this particular trade. So at the end of the week, what I would do next is just to get this particular level, come to my journal here, create new page, write GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, I write the dates, I write the session, I write the position. So it was a sell position. The session was a London session. If we come back here, what time did I take the trade? I took the trade around the 6 to 10 a.m. candle. So if I come here, I put stats. Monday was when? Monday was the 16th. So London section was the trade outcome, take profits, and I put the charts here. So this is basically how I journal my trade. You can see this is a whole buckload of journal here. So I journal my trades, weekend preps, then getting at the particular level I want to buy or sell the particular market. Let's say tomorrow now I'm sensing a particular trade. I set my prep before the next day. So you always have to be prepared before the time for you to get in for a buy or a sell. So those preps helps you stay grounded, lets you know what you're looking for. And once price is not giving you exactly what you're looking for, you have to stay patient. So you trade the plan, not your emotion. You make sure you trade the plan. So basically that's the idea for this video. I was able to let you in on my trades and show you how I prep for any particular trading week or any particular trading session. So if you have any ideas you want me to share, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. And finally, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's grow a community together. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.